Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can count the number of cells with comments in Microsoft Excel. In a previous video, I have showed you something similar but using VBA coding, and in this tutorial, we are going to use go to special function. Let's get started. So this is our workbook and I have several comments and I want to count how many cells has comment within this worksheet. And how you can do that, simply click on here, find and select, click on go to special and select comment and click OK. You can see all the cells with comments has been selected, and if you take a look at here, you can see it has counted 5, and that means I have 5 cells with comments. Okay, so this is how you can quickly count the cells with comments, and this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.